Hello friends, in this video I show you how to transfer money and other bank account using Indian Bank app. First friends, you log in Indian Bank app and click here transfer. Then click here and choose here account. I have two Indian Bank accounts, so I choose here my one account. Then click here. If you want transfer in Indian Bank, so you choose here Indian Bank, and if you want transfer money in other bank, so you choose here other bank. And next you writing account number, you send who, that person account number you writing here, and downside you re-enter that bank account number. And next have IFSC code, you writing here that bank IFSC code. And here you writing amount. I show you demo, so I writing here 100 rupees. And next have name, here you writing that person name, and click to proceed. And here you check all detail, if everything okay, account number, name, so you click here confirm. And here you writing your Indian Bank app TPIN and click to submit. When you click to submit, then you receive an OTP. Which mobile number you register with your Indian Bank app, that number you receive an OTP. That OTP you writing here and click to submit. So friends, transaction successful ready. So very simple or easy, you also can transfer money Indian Bank app to another bank. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.